Good evening, everyone. This is Cadet Bihik. After the earthquake, students and teachers at UC face a difficult decision. Should face-to-face classes resume immediately, or should they wait until all buildings are cleared safe? Some argue that continuing classes as soon as possible ensures students graduate on time and support their families' financial hopes against resumption. Others say that no academic goal should come at the cost of even one life. Safety must come first. In time of crisis, what should guide our action? Progress or protection? Does the good of many truly justify the rest to a few?